Okay, welcome to challenge number 53. It's a data parsing. So we have some kind of input data set. Everything is loaded together. We do have some kind of dotted line as a separate. We have a pipe as the vertical separate for the columns. The whole idea is try to clean the data set into desired format. We expect eight columns here and 18 rows. Now there's two different ways to do it. One's a bit more static because we have a fixed data file. This part of your video, I'll try to do things a bit more dynamically. So I look at those things, I'll say, okay, yeah, we can just get rid of all the filter lines first. All the things, everything's attached. Yeah, we can just do with the start with even the first header is annoying. That's a lot of string. So start. So we have a lot of oops. Start with what's the field? Let's select the field, colon. Let's get rid of those guys first. So we don't want the start with. We'll get rid of those rows first. Let me go just select. Let's just rename this column. The dash is not very helpful. Input. So it's more readable in the whole REST workflow. So get rid of those. That's good. We have a training space. That's fine. Everything is delimited on the column. We know eventually we're going to get 8 columns, so we can even look at the header 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can separate text to column with limit on the pipe. Let's try with 8 columns first. We're getting intended. Try to split on the first delimiter. So let's do one more column. Let's just do 2 more columns. Because one more column handles the int 8, and one more column handle the last delimiter. It's not essential, but it's just makes that's a bit cleaner. Okay, 9 columns suffice. Column 10 is null. Other things has a training white space. That's fine because we have multi-field we can do to. Actually, let me use the select. Let's drop the unrequired column. Deselect everything. So we're looking for from column 2 up to column 9. We're going to select highlighted fields. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, column has the addition pipe. Make a 10. That's fine. We'll get rid of the last pipe. We have a lot training space, multi-field. Let's train everything. So we can select all the text column. I think we can select everything. We can just trim. Select field. We won't trim any space. Much better. We get cleaner. Why they're not happy? Not sure why they're not happy about it. Let's run again. Yeah, second row is better. So all the columns headed. Everything's cleaned up. Then we can bump dynamic rename, bump the row up. Click up the header. So all the 9 columns are fine. We're getting pretty much what we need. The last part, let's look. They do have doubles int They change the date type. The date field they kept as it is. Contract D is missing. Missing fun. Client D we need to replace with NA. That's only client D. And client hours, months. We can change the last one with a select. So let's probably just modify client D. If you have multiple column to replace, you can just apply the same thing. But for us at the moment we have a single column, so that should be okay. Mm, this is F. So if the client D equals equals a hash or it's empty. And we want to replace with NA. But NA one and slash A. Else we keep the client ID as it is. That handles the missing value. Yeah, the last select, I'll skip that step. Because you can just change the data type, everything here seems to be digits. Change it to a double, they should be okay to pick up. Even if you want, oh, that's the last proportion. Yeah, in the final answer, they still kept this not the best quality because on Excel, the standard form. Because it's string, that's what's carried in. We lost the minus how many, so we can't even convert it back. Data type you can convert if you use data tool on the top, digits contract D, maybe you do some additional data cleansing you've got looking for. Usually that should be a unique field, so you may want to fill in those fields. Yeah, and that will be 53. I'll do the next part, which seems to be more dynamic because at the moment we set specifically for 10 columns. That's not as ideal as I would like to, not as robust. Okay, see you next video.